Welcome to my channel. In this video, I shall explain the concept of common method bias, followed by demonstration of procedure utilized to measure variance resulting from common method bias. Common method bias is that variance which can be attributed to method of measurement when instrument becomes the source of variations in responses, not the respondents. Common method bias is likely to figure out. It can also be stated that bias is induced by instrument, thereby causing undue variances. As a result, the subsequent analysis and results are adversely affected. Reviewers of the papers in psychology and management research often reject papers that utilize single method for data collection, arguing that common method variance renders untrustworthy results. So we also need to know that what major problems can be caused by common method bias. First of all, it can bias the reliability and validity of measures. Secondly, it can inflate or deflate the estimate of relationships between variables. Harmans single factor score is mostly utilized to check the variance in data caused due to common method bias. So this is the SPSS sheet in which Harmans single factor score test will be run to measure the extent of common method bias in the data. So to do that, initially you need to click on Analyze, followed by Dimension Reduction, Factor, click on Factor. This window will be opened, and from this window you need to select all the items which form part of the survey used to collect the data from respondents. Make sure that all of the items have been selected. So drag down to the last item, then click on the arrow, which will shift all the selected items into this blank box. So here you are with the selected items. Now you click on Descriptives. In descriptive section, you don't have to do anything, only click on Continue. Click on Extraction. Here you need to check the circle. Since we are carrying out factor analysis against single factor, so enter 1. Continue. Click on Rotate. In this section, you don't need to select anything. Only click on Continue, followed by OK. So here you are with the output you were looking for. You need to focus on this table with the heading of total variance explained, and in this table focus on percentage of variance. So here the important point is that when the percentage of variance explained is less than 50%, then data is considered free from any kind of variance, and if it is more than 50%, then there is a very strong likelihood of common method bias present in the data. So in our case it is only 21.212, hence the data is free from any kind of variance and fit for further analysis. So here I come to the end of this tutorial. I'll be back soon with a new video on some other topic. Thank you.